Okay, neighbors, we're making a quick chicken Alfredo. What you're looking at is some chicken already pre-seasoned. So all I'm going to do is to add a little bit of flour. All right. And breadcrumbs. And then all we'll do is just mix this all together. Okay, neighbors, let's do a test. Okay, our oil is hot enough. So we're just gonna put our chicken. Okay guys, I'm just gonna take some of my pasta water and save it for my sauce. Okay, as you can see, I have about 2 tablespoons of butter that's being melted along with just a teaspoon of the bacon grease. All right. So once this heat up, then I'll put in my onions and some garlic. Okay, neighbors, butter has melted. I'm adding in some onions and garlic and just a handful of, a tablespoon of green onions. That's optional, but I like green onions, so therefore, there it goes. Like I always say, it's your kitchen, your way. Oh, it smells amazing. You guys know how I feel about the smell of onions. Okay, neighbors. Our onions are translucent, so now what I'll do, I'll start adding in some heavy cream. Okay. Let me give this a little stir. We're also going to add in some Parmesan. I need to go get my other bag. Okay, neighbors, as you can see, our sauce is thickening up nicely. I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper because I like to see that black pepper in my sauce. Y'all know we like it spicy over here at the Island Girl. Neighbors, I wish you can smell the aroma that's coming from out of this pot. It smells amazing. How all the kids say, come see what this Island Girl is cooking up in her little kitchen. And with that being said, neighbors, if you're new to this channel and like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. And do not forget about the notification bell. It's 99.999% free. And share. Leave a comment. Tell your mother, your brother, your sister, and all your kin folks. Come see what this Island Girl is cooking up in her little kitchen. So now I'm just going to add in some spinach because that's what I want. That's optional for you guys. Do you guys not see this? Oh my. I know you do. Looks amazing. I'm also going to add some more cream to thin this out a little bit because it's rather thick. So let's introduce our bacon that we cooked earlier. Yes. Child, look at this. Tell me you don't see this. All right. We're going to add some more cream. Okay, neighbors, whilst our sauce is coming together, all I'm going to do is just slice through our cracked chicken. And again, we're making cracked chicken Alfredo, lemon Alfredo. Alright. And when I say this, these chicken pieces were seasoned to the gods. Trust and believe when I say that. Okay, now that our chicken has been chopped, we're going to introduce this to the pan. At this point, we'll go ahead and add in our cup of pasta water. Guys, I wish you can smell my kitchen. Smell amazing. Okay. Smells amazing. I'm adding some of my Island Girl Cajun spice. You guys don't know how the Island Girl spices kicks us up to the next level. Along with my garlic onion powder, Island Girl garlic onion powder. Go ahead and get you some. You can find us on Instagram at Island Girl Next Door Spices. Oh God, do you guys not see this? Sure you do. We have our bacon, our spinach, right? So now we'll start introducing our cracked chicken to the pot. The other piece I said to put on top. Look at this, guys. Oh, it smells amazing. Now once this really comes to just a very low boil, I'll turn this off. I'm trying to get some of that seasoning from off the chicken to come through in the sauce. Amazing. Neighbors, listen. All I can say is, child. I'm not going to put any more seasoning into this. I tasted my sauce. It's amazing. So what I'll do, I'll just toss some of the pasta into my creamy sauce. Look at this. Look. See that? Now that's a sauce. apologize, child. Something just fell from out of my pantry. Adding some pepper flakes. Okay, neighbors, as you can see, I took out actually half of my sauce, okay? Because I'm going to take my noodles, and these have been cooked for a minute, so they kind of dried out a little bit, but it works. And all I'm going to do is toss my noodles, as you can see. You see that? As we go. That should be enough for one plate. Creamy. You hear that, guys? It smells amazing. All right, neighbors, there goes my Alfredo. Just gonna put a little bit in the bowl. Okay. Just gonna get a little So now I'm just going to add just a piece of that lemon cracked chicken. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the sauce. Bon appetit. Neighbors, if you're new to the channel and like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget the subscription button. And whilst you're at it, please hit that notification bell. I will greatly appreciate it. And share. Sharing is caring. Until next time, neighbors, stay safe.